I'm Adam.
And I'm Thomas.
And
we're Wicked.
Hello, this is me and Thomas. We're going to bake a cake today.
And this is what we're going to use to make our cake. And we're going to show you how to make it. Here we have our recipe, and then we have our baking paper, our tin for put the cake in, our mixer for a bowl for the mixer, and what's this called? Scales, and then we have some butter, some 2 apples, and 3 apples, and 3 eggs, and a bowl, some flour, then some sugar, and some cream. So we're just starting to chop our butter, and we needed 125 grams or ounces of butter, and 4 ounces of butter, and then we're gonna put this butter in the microwave. Was it?
Yeah. Scale.
We're gonna scale it first. We need a bit more, so we're gonna put in.
That's pretty good.
Yeah. And we're gonna take this butter and we're gonna put it in the microwave, and then we're gonna cook it for about 20 seconds. We're just pouring the butter in now into our tin bowl, and we've just melted it in the microwave for 20 seconds. Some of it hasn't all melted, but it's mostly all melted, yeah. And then we're gonna put some sugar in. So we need 6 ounces of sugar. So which is 185 grams. And then we're gonna pour this in, and then we're gonna mix it together. Hi guys. So we've just mixed the sugar and the butter in a bit. Now we're gonna mix it more together with this. We're gonna start off by putting it on 1. So as you can see, we're mixing it together, just like that. So we've just mixed all of them together. So when they're ready, they should look creamy. When it's ready, it should look creamy. And right now, it looks creamy. And then we're gonna put some eggs in.
No. Mix again.
Now then we're gonna mix again. We've just put in 3 eggs, and 3 eggs is enough to make this a bit more creamy, as you can see here. And then we're gonna pour this in, and then we're gonna chop some apples up and then put them in here, and then we're gonna pour it into a tin and put it in the oven.
Okay, now we got some baking paper, and we'll go and that. So we're going to put this on top.
And then we do this.
Then we'll lock it.
That's right. Good job.
And now we can
Turn on the oven.
Hello. We're gonna put this oven now at 180 degrees. Which one? This one?
Clockwise, yeah.
Clockwise. 180 degrees. Probably that.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put it on fan
Fan bake.
bake.
Right there at 6 o'clock too. Yeah, one more.
We're gonna put it on fan bake, and then we're gonna let the oven warm up, ready for our cake to be put in, and then baked.
Okay, now we're gonna peel some apples to put them in the cake, so it will taste better and look better too. Now we're gonna cut the apples after peeling them, so we can put them on top of the cake to make it more tasty and have a flavor.
So we've just got our vanilla and a teaspoon. So we're gonna pour the vanilla on into a teaspoon, and then I'm gonna put that in. And there we go.
Okay, now we're about to have the flour here, and we're going to mix it. Now we're adding some milk. Now we put all the stuff that we made into this.
Now we're gonna decorate the cake by putting apples in it and overlapping them and going around in a circle around the tin.
Okay, now we're adding the cinnamon on top.
So Adam's putting the cinnamon sugar or the cinnamon on the apples.
Maybe
So
2.
now we're gonna put the sugar on, the raw sugar on over the top of the apples with the cinnamon. Just like this.
Okay, now we'll be putting this in the oven. Okay, now we're gonna set the time to half an hour. And now we're adding the cream to the bowl.
Oh! You okay, Adam?
Yeah. Okay.
And this cream's to go on top of the cake.
This will go on top of the cake to make it tasty and more flavor.
So guys, the cake has just come out and it looks quite nice. I can see the apple, the cinnamon and all that sugar. I'm just gonna put it in there for a bit. So now we've taken it out and it looks, and we've just checked and it's perfect. And the thing with cake, just to check it, if you touch it somewhere in the middle, and it should bounce back. If it bounces back, it's ready. But if it doesn't, then it needs to be in there for a bit more. It also took 45 minutes to cook.
Hello.
And from my perspective, from my great smelling nose, it smells very nice. smells very, very good. This is wicked.
And we're gonna eat our cake with our friends.
And now we must eat!
Okay.
Stop.